What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable FaceTime in iOS. Let's get started. So in order to disable FaceTime in iOS, you will have to go to Settings. It's quite simple, actually. You're going to scroll down to where you see FaceTime, and that should be turned on. You're going to slide that to turn it off, and that is it. Now, when you go to FaceTime, you will see that it's disabled, and you'll actually have to reactivate it in order to use it. So that's how you disable FaceTime. If you found this video to be useful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any other video suggestions or questions. I'm always here to answer them, but stay tuned so you can learn how to Apple without the E.